I'm Andrew Miskin. I'm President of CIMA and Chair of the Association. When I started taking CIMA exams, I found it truly fascinating. I found the subject interesting, and it gave me an insight into how businesses worked in the way that as an engineer I understood how things worked. So I took then the skills I had as an engineer and the skills I had as a management accountant, went into management consulting and spent 25 years advising businesses how to make big changes and how to improve their performance. So I'm very proud to be President of CIMA and the first Chair of the Association, and the role has kind of three different aspects associated with it. One is the Chairman of the meetings, so we have regular meetings, both CIMA Council meetings and Association Board meetings, and I chair those meetings and make sure that we discuss things appropriate and come to the right decisions. Secondly, and perhaps kind of alongside that, I'm actually technically the Chief Executive's boss, so making sure that we stand up as an institute and are able to deliver on our promises is the kind of second main thing. And probably the one which is most public and in many ways the most fun is being, let me describe it as the number one member, going out and meeting our members, going out and meeting our students, going out and meeting public bodies, university chancellors, all sorts of people to forward the aims and to promote CIMA and the Association as the foremost place for management accounting and public accounting in the world. 2016 was a pretty significant year for us. I think maybe one of the most significant years for us as a management accountant. There have been some significant years in the past, of course. 1772, when Josiah Wedgwood, at the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, introduced cost accounting. And 1919, the foundation of CIMA, or the Institute of Cost and Works Accounting as it was, from Lord Leverhulme. But 2016, the formation of our association, the moving of management accounting onto a world stage, is pretty dramatic for us. And the CGMA designation is the gold standard for management accountancy around the world. You know, I think, honestly, management accountant is a crown jewel. We need good decision making in this world, and we are heart of good decision making. CGMA brings that to a much broader audience than ever we were able to as CIMA alone. The association has also allowed us to share the intellectual capital of the two institutes. Over 700,000 downloads were made last year of 16 items that were made available because of the association. Our students have also been feeding back to us what they need, and we've made a new CIMA Connect tool available, and we've also helped with the bank of practice questions from our resources to be able to help them prepare for examinations better. You know, I believe that the association is going to be part of securing the careers of management accountants and public accountants into the future. We're part of continuing to make our profession relevant in this world and really adding value to what has to be done.